Hello, this is Mark Barbarito back once again for another Penn State IST 261 assignment. This time I'm covering assignment 1-3, which is the slot filler assignment. So, once again, this is going to be split up into two parts because of the whole chatbot GUI not showing up while I'm share screening for the code section. So, this part was only going to focus on the code that I added / modified for this one. So, let's get right into it. First, before I even get into the code I had for this assignment specifically, I wanted to go over the code from the actual last assignment, which I apologize for. I misinterpreted that I need the arrays for the domain classifiers and the intent classifiers to be random, but that was actually wrong. I completely read it wrong, so I modified both the weather intent classifier and the food intent classifier so that they have keywords that can designate them. When you're typing it into the chat bot. So, for example, for weather, we have weather report, forecast, and current weather. For snow, we have snow, snowing, snowstorm. And for rain, we have rain, raining, rainy. And I also modified it so that now the keywords are only increasing the amounts by one. So that's a modification from last time, not relevant to this assignment, but I figure I'd go over it to show it. So now, as for the Slotfire class, we once again go back to the chatbot.java class where we add a few specific things. Obviously, we have to include the this.now slot filler so that the slot filler can be used within the chatbot. And then the main thing is the slot table to string class, which allows the keys to be implemented into the GUI. And then we have the slot filler.java class. So main things to go over here. So we have the city name array, similar to the keywords in the dictionary array, where you have keywords to classify and gather more information. So we have State College, LA, NYC, and Tokyo. And then the same thing we have for time with the time powers array, where we have 2 a.m., 14:30, which is military time, and at 3, around a general time. And one thing I noticed when modifying the code, I had to include the dot to uppercase function so that the chatbot can recognize when it is trying to get one of those keys so that you can get the slot filler to activate. If without it, it does not activate for some of them, specifically for 2 a.m. and at 3. So that's the code for it. I'm going to stop this video and I will show you the chatbot GUI for it in the second part. Thank you very much.